Hello my fans, welcome to Techful Things YouTube channel. Do you know your phone has default settings that let apps and websites access your phone number? This can be risky because not all apps and websites are trustworthy. Scammers or advertisers might get your number, leading to unwanted calls or messages. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like it. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off these settings step by step on your Android phone. Open Settings on your phone, scroll down and tap on Google. Tap All Services, scroll down and find Autofill and Password section. Tap Phone Number Sharing, turn off the switch. This stops Google from sharing your phone number with third-party apps that request it. To manage app permissions for contacts, go back to Settings. Use the search bar at the top and type Permission Manager. Tap Permission Manager. Tap Permission Manager. Tap Contacts. Check the list of apps that are allowed to access your contacts. For any app that doesn't need access, tap the app and select Don't Allow. For example, does the Calendar app need access to your contacts? No. Tap Calendar, then select Don't Allow. Confirm to Don't Allow. Repeat this process for other apps and decide which ones truly need access. Check Call Log Permissions. Go back to Permission Manager. Tap Call Logs, review the apps allowed to access your call logs. Remove permissions from apps that don't need access to apps like messaging or phone apps may need this access, but others likely don't. Disable phone number sharing in Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome app. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, scroll down and tap Settings. Tap Addresses and More. Find the options Save and Fill Addresses and turn it off. This feature saves your phone number when you enter it on one website. If it's saved, other websites might access it too, if you accidentally remove permission from an app that needs it to work. Don't worry, the app will ask for permission again when needed, and you can grant it at that time. For phone useful tips, you can watch any video from the end screen.